How to connect Airtable to Lovable. So as of right now on August 2025, Lovable doesn't integrate yet with Airtable. But we can actually connect them by using a third-party tool called Make or N8N. First things first, set up a connection through that. You just need to create an account on Make. So just input right here and sign up for free. Let me head over and then sign up. Once you have successfully signed up on your Make, just head over and then just do the onboarding session. So right now we're currently into the Make dashboard. In this case, just click on this create a scenario option in order to create a new workflow. Now we just need to actually build from scratch for this part. And let's connect our first applications. You can click onto this plus right here in order to do it. So from in there, you can find here all the applications. For example, on this case, let's look for Lovable. Into this part, head over and then create the webhook. You can search for it and you can see it right here. Head over and click on this and it will show you this part. Let's choose in here a custom webhook. Let's click on this. And then from in there, just name it by clicking onto this create and then name it right here. And you can add in here API key. From in there, head over and save this. And then just input right here and copy the address and then get it from your actual Lovable right here and then add this together. Once you're done with that, click on save and let's add in here another module. Click on this plus icon and search in here for Airtable. So click on Airtable right here and then input right here the actual thing that you need to use Airtable for, like for example, creating records or bulk importing and the likes. For example, you can also make an API call using this part. And then in here, just initiate connection. Click on this and then input right here the connection type. It can be an OAuth or token or key. So just retrieve this from Airtable and then you should be able to connect this together using Make. So that's all there is today and I hope this video helped you out.